Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, I Want Her. The song is I Want Her by the artist Joe, and the choreography is LENA Adams. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 2510674. Please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open and you can book your room right now at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video. Let's go.
Now that you see me, you know what it's like. It's like every time I see you, I don't look like I'm too happy. Yeah, I really don't do it. But if you know my girl, you never had a queen. Your body is telling me that you ain't get nothing. He talking, but ain't offering nothing that you want. And the small things that he that's keeping you home now. Ain't really solid, keep an eye on your body. Girl, like if you watch me, come on, get you home. Yeah, oh, I can't please. Cause the next time next night, we gon' keep it up like I'ma be the young boy turning up tonight. Get you home one night, I promise. Oh, I can't please. Those messages you're sending just keep telling me to take what I want. I want you. Is he gonna do nothing, baby? I want you. Is he gonna do nothing, baby? Dripping in so much goodness he can't know. Let you walk around and feel unsatisfied and fulfilled. If I got him close through the back door. Know we thought that Christmas and his heart, but that's still for real, baby. Get you home one night, baby. Oh, I can't please. Cause the next time it's maybe, baby, I'ma be the young boy turning up tonight. Get you home one night, I promise. Oh, I can't please. Those messages you're sending just keep telling me to take what I want, baby. I want you. Gonna do crazy, gonna do nothing, baby. I want if I want you, is he gonna do? Listen, baby, let me show you this is for real. You're taking this no more, I can see. So I'm glad to be the man I know you need now, baby. It's clear you don't know what it is, so let me. I want you, baby. Nothing is gonna do.
And there you go, instructors, something really nice for your beginners. You can just call it out on the floor and keep the class moving. I hope to see you at the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website for detailed information, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.